So this came from the car boot sale for not 7 but £3. So there's some writing down here. This is a wood splitter, not a Neanderthal arrowhead. I'll give this a clean, see what happens. Wire wheel first. So the question is, what to do with it now? Actually measures 7 inches and it weighs about 3-4 pounds. I do believe it's time for a bit of colour on this. Oh yeah, now I found out these are worth 200 quid. I'm knocking them out daily. Another one, number 2. Obviously it's genuine. Got it underneath. So it seemed a long while ago, it was only 5 minutes, but this is what it looked like to start with. And this is what it looks like now. Now it depends on how you hold it to the light with what colours you see. So even better. Right, so is this finished? Isn't it finished? It's got gold in it, it's got the nickel in it, and it's got a touch of rose gold. I'm going to say it's finished. And of course it's polyurethane, so that's a nice piece, isn't it, really, now? Sit on display somewhere. And the underneath's going to get waxed because I didn't do anything to that. So, that's that done. That's not a bad before and after, is it, really? Okay, so you all take care and bye for now.